Hey, it's Jason with Caster Depot. Today we're going to review Colson's stainless steel Defender Series rigs. These are Colson Group's stainless steel Defender rigs. The Defender Series combines 5 of the industry's most trusted stainless steel offerings into a single premium brand. The Defender Series replaces the Albion 5 Series, the Colson 4 Series, the Jarvis S81 and 82 Series, the Medcaster SS Series, and the Bassick Prism Series. This will be a rolling change beginning in June of 2021. Defender rigs are constructed from polished corrosion-resistant grade 304 stainless steel. With 1/4 inch thick top plates, 1/4 inch thick legs, and a 3/4 inch diameter kingpin, the Defender Series is built to last. The legs are precision welded for durability. Defender Series rigs feature double stainless steel ball bearing raceways to ensure a smooth, consistent swivel. FDA-approved food-grade grease provides lubrication. The Defender Series provides a full line of 2-inch wide products, including Total Lock, Swivel, Rigid, and conventional brakes. The Defender Series is an ideal 2-inch wide stainless steel caster solution. Some key features include lasting performance, corrosion resistance, and critical defense against washdown applications, cleaning agents, steam, caustic solutions, and other environmental conditions that may cause oxidation or failure in standard casters. Caster Depot has been the expert in casters and wheels since 1980. If you have any questions about Colson's stainless steel Defender Series, if you are interested in samples, or if you would like to purchase, we are only a call, click, or visit away.